is red and white, and this is complete white. Why these two buildings were built? It was not required. To give this more height, एक लंबा आदमी के दो साइड में छोटे छोटे आदमी खड़े हो जाए तो लंबा आदमी और लंबा लगेगा। अब चेक करना, जितना वो अकेला रहेगा उतना लंबा नहीं लगेगा, जैसे ही दो छोटा छोटा रहेगा वो और लंबा लगेगा। मैं आपको हिंदी फिल्म की साइकोलॉजी बताता हूँ, आप चेक करना 60s, 70s, 80s तक की मूवी में ये तो बहुत कॉमन था। ये अपना हीरोइन यहाँ डांस कर रही है, इसके चारों तरफ और भी हीरोइन है डांस कर रही है, सही है ना? तो ये जो हीरोइन होगा, साइड वाली लड़कियां होंगी, दे वुड बी रिलेटिवली वेरी ऑर्डिनरी लुकिंग, डेलिबरेटली। अगर ये भी खूबसूरत हुई, ये भी खूबसूरत हुई, तो आपका अटेंशन डाइवर्ट तो ये डायरेक्टर का साइकोलॉजी था और इसको ब्रेक करना बड़ा मुश्किल था। तो बहुत सारा नया राइटर जो था या एक्टर वो ऑफेंडेड हो जाता इस बात को लेकर कि वो हीरो जो है उसका मकसद था कि हीरो है, एक तो कपड़े अलग दिखाएंगे वो, देखना अगली बार अगर ये सब वाइट है तो ये रेड होगा। तो दैट इज बिकॉज दे डू नॉट वांट योर अटेंशन टू बी डाइवर्टेड। अभी इंडियन साइकोलॉजी है, बाकी कंट्रीज में ऐसा नहीं होता, अभी यहाँ टूट गया है थोड़ा इन द लास्ट 20 years। तो यहाँ पर मकसद क्या था? कंट्रास्ट समझते हो, रेड एंड वाइट, रेड एंड वाइट, रेड एंड वाइट एंड वाइट, then a small and then suddenly a huge one. So this would give better impression. This is one interesting part of this Taj. Now what I was talking that they built beautiful gardens, you remember this? तो इस डिजाइन को कहा जाता है कि 11th century की किताब है पर्शियन की, सूफी सेंट ने लिखी। उस किताब में फ्रंट पेज पे एक स्केच बना है, and the saint imagined heaven and the throne of God, throne of God, और वो बिल्कुल ऐसे ही clear? शाहजहां knew it, so he told exactly वैसे ही होना चाहिए। and to further confirm, historian says कि इस गेट पर जो कुरान की आयत लिखी है उसमें एक आयत confirm this theory that Shah Jahan was inspired by that book design in which the sketch of heaven and throne of God is given. In entire Quran, it is always said in the term of we or us. Only at one place my or I is used, and that is when on the day of judgment God would tell good people, come in my heaven. You getting my point? It is somewhere in Surah 82. Come where in my heaven. That ayat is written here. Now Shah Jahan is telling you, come in my heaven. You are getting this point? This is how historians have to look at all very carefully, reading all these Arabic line and seeing the Persian script, documentary evidences of Shah Jahan's court historian Abdul Hamid Lahori, what went in the minds when they were designing and thinking these buildings. I hope it is clear. आपको वो सब नहीं लिखना है. Just now write next. This was built between 1631 to 43 at the cost of 50 lakh. This was built between 1631 to 43, 12 years. 31. She died in 30. At the cost of how much? 50 lakh rupees. Okay, next building. How many buildings are total? 3. 4. Shah Jahan also built Shahjahanabad in Delhi between 1638 to 48. between 1638 to 1648. Three prominent remains of this city are Red Fort, Chandni Chowk, and Jama Masjid. Red Fort, Chandni Chowk, and Jama Masjid. This area is called Delhi 6. In pin code, Red Fort has Diwan-e-Aam, made of red sandstone with pillars, designed on Rajput style. Diwan-e-Khas, white marble, designed on Persian style. Design on Persian style. The famous peacock throne was kept here. You heard it? Peacock throne? Takht-e-Taus in Persian it was called. And the famous Persian couplet Gar Firdaus Barru'e Zamiyas, Hamiyas is also written in Diwan-e-Khas building Red Fort. I will translate. If there is a paradise on earth, it is this, it is this, it is this. That's the meaning. ये लिखा हुआ है रेड फोर्ट दीवान-ए-खास के अंदर. आप कभी जाओगे तो आपको दिखेगा नॉर्थ और साउथ डायरेक्शन. समझ आ रहा है? आप यहाँ याद कर लो, वहाँ जाके पढ़ लेना. पब्लिक को लगेगा आपको फारसी आती है, लेकिन ध्यान रखना पहले ये देख लेना किधर लिखा हुआ है. Okay. This was set for Kashmir, but who said it? We don't. शेख सादी कश्मीर के लिए क्यों बोले?
उन्होंने कश्मीर के लिए नहीं बोला था, पर ये लाइन
नहीं, आज तक किसी को नहीं मालूम कि ये लाइन किसकी है. सही है ना?
मैंने भी हिस्ट्री टीचर से सुना है कि
अरे हिस्ट्री टीचर स्कूल के बहुत हैं. We don't know who said it. We know it was said for. Some say Amir Khusro, some say Faizi. So there are 4-5 names. Nobody knows who said it. Anyway, तो दीवान-ए-खास हो गया. आगे लिखो रंग महल, made of white marble, meant for musical show, reality show. Rang Mahal, meant for music, dance. Hammam, bath, made of white marble. And Hammam, H-A-M-A-M, Hammam साबुन का भी नाम है. And Nehr-e-Bahisht, Nehr-e-Bahisht is heaven. Under Islamic concept, there are 7 heavens. Lowest is Jannah, highest is Bahisht. हम लोग जन्नत मांगते हैं क्योंकि यही मिल जाए वो. Jannatul Firdaus or Bahish?
Jannatul
Firdaus.
Firdaus highest.
Firdaus heights. The second highest too. Okay. Now right. अच्छा, ये नहर समझते हो ना? वाटर कैनाल नाम रखा है नहर बहिश्त, पानी पीछे यमुना से आता था. Okay. Shah Jahan also built some buildings at Ajmer. His son Aurangzeb was not interested, did not have money, so very few buildings were built in his period. Lot of wars, so all the money were exhausted. Clear? Very few buildings came up in his period, like A. Moti Masjid, Red Fort, Delhi. Made of white marble, small but elegant. White marble, small but elegant. B. बीबी का मकबरा, औरंगाबाद. Maharashtra. What is BB? No, वो बीवी होता है.
ये बड़ी है.
BB in Persian and nowadays Punjabi, they call it a lady with certain respect, like Shrimati, Kumari. This in Persian they call BB so and so. Clear? आप लोग मत बोल देना किसी को ऐसे ही गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, लोग नहीं समझेंगे फिर, है ना? So आप इसे रहने ही दो. उनका असली नाम था Rabiul Dawrani. She was wife of Aurangzeb. Rabiul Dawrani. This building is known as replica of Taj Mahal. Replica of Taj Mahal. You remember one is prototype of Taj Mahal before Humayun tomb we have discussed, and this is after Taj, so historians call it replica. एक historian मैंने बताया था पर्सी ब्राउन, याद है? उसने इस बिल्डिंग के बारे में लिखा it is the ugliest Mughal monument. Though it is not as ugly as the road, because of course when you compare it Taj, it stand nowhere. But if you minus Taj, then it still is very good building. He also built a mosque at Lahore called Badshahi Mosque, a replica of Jama Masjid. Badshahi Mosque, replica of what? The last prominent Mughal building in India is the tomb of Safdarjung, built in mid-18th century. Safdarjung. There is a hospital also nearby after his name, Safdarjung Hospital is the largest hospital in India in terms of bed. Safdarjung, S-A-F-D-E-R, Safdarjung tomb in mid-18th century, somewhere around 1754, made of white marble, and sandstones inspired by Taj. Clear? Now come Mughal painting. I hope if a question on Mughal architecture you can write. I've given you more than 200 words. Must be 500 words. Mughal painting, number 1. Humayun came from Iran with 2 painters. You know, Humayun had to go Iran for some time, 7-8 years during his exile period after his loss, defeat with Sher Shah Suri. Humayun brought, what is it? 2 painters from Iran, M.F. Hussain and Satish Gujarat. नहीं लिख रहे हो ना पक्का? You heard Satish Gujarat? He's a great painter, brother of I.K. Gujarat, the former Prime Minister of India. His छोटे भाई Satish Gujarat. Mir Sayyid Ali, लिख लो, and दूसरा नाम है भूल लो, खाली जगह छोड़ दो. I will come again and I will tell you. Mir Sayyid Ali and Abdus Samad. Abdus Samad. Can you write? Samad S-A-M-A-D. Abdus A-B-D-U-S. Abdus Samad and Mir Sayyid Ali. Point number 9. Akbar commissioned more than 100 painters to illustrate the life of Amir Hamza. Life of Amir Hamza, a legendary Islamic character, believed to be uncle of Prophet. Legendary Islamic character. So it is not sure who exactly he was. That is why we are writing legendary, believed to be. After almost 12 years of their hard work, how many painters I mentioned? More than 100. After 12 years of their hard work, around 1200 collection of paintings around what? 1200 collection of painting were made on linen cloth. Made on what? Linen cloth under the title Dastan-e Amir Hamza. Dastan tales, long tales, under the title Dastan-e Amir Hamza. Is that clear? Point number next. Miniature painting developed most in his period. Miniature, you understand? Small. Miniature painting developed most in his period. Mostly on the cover of a book. Mostly on the cover of a book like Anwar-e Suhaili, and Khandane Taimuriya. Mughals claimed themselves as Timurid. Your Timur lung. So from father's side, he was a Turk from Timurid. Mother side, a Mongol Chingiz. You heard chicken Chingiz? आजकल बहुत बिकता है ना. तो Chingiz Khan, actually correctly pronounced as Genghis Khan. The Indians पुकारते हैं हम लोग Chingiz, Mongolian. From father's side, Turk, and क्या नाम बताया? Timur. And mother side, Mongol, Chingiz. आपकी प्रीलिम्स का सवाल है 2 साल पहले. Which of the following statement is correct? A. Mughals were Timurids. You get my point? B. कुछ और था, I don't remember. ये रेस स्टेटमेंट सही है गलत? Mughals were Timurids. Timur के खानदान से. Clear है ना? No, right. Next. The famous painters of his period were Basavan, Dashwant, Ram, Purushottam, and Mano. Some European painters also came. Some European painting also came through Portuguese in Akbar's court. And they learned some new technique like line painting. They learned some new technique like line, L-I-N-E, line painting, and painting of common man's life. Painting of common man's life. Next.